Hello, Beans and Kitty fans. Today I will be playing something called Fluffy Fall. It is such a cute game. And just look at all the fluffies. Now this is the starter fluffy. I'm going to show you around all of it. And yeah, they're so cute. This is like a starter fluffy that everybody gets. And look at the back. Like from the back, you wouldn't even think it has a face. But then it has a face. I have the marine one. And one of my favourites is actually the kiwi because it has more golden tubes, as it says up there. Yeah. And the animal one, I only have one, which is the tiger. And everything. Looks pretty cute. And I have two in my city collection. I have the rope. Yeah, not really one of my favourites, but it's there. And the road, not really one of my favourites again, but then again it's there. And yeah, it's kiwi. And I will be playing some Fluffy Fall, just demonstrating what it's all about. So basically, you like dodge these obstacles in the way. As you can see here. And you can collect coins on the way, like gold. So yeah, I'm just gonna, every time I do one of these rounds, I'm not really gonna talk that much, so you can just watch.
Well, that's an oof. I died.
But that's alright, because I died plenty of times while playing this game. And even though I have died like tons of times, it's still really fun. So I'm gonna go play another, actually. I was going to go show you another level and stuff, but I think I'm actually gonna show you how to, like, make fluffies. So this is where you
Make fluffies and you just need enough coins, I guess. So now I'm gonna play another level. Let's hope we get coins on this round.
Isn't it frustrating when you get so far and you die on the easiest part? Oh, it's just me? Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, awesome. But yeah. Yeah, I died. Hopefully, that's alright. But yeah, I'm gonna play another round, but this time I'm gonna do the challenge. And I'm actually gonna talk over this one. So it's basically swimming through water, and I used to be really bad at this one. I've done this challenge before on my other Fluffy Fall and stuff. but I used to be really bad at it. But now look at me. Now look at me. I am a pro at this, pro at this. And what was I saying about being a pro? Well, I'm not a pro, okay? Okay? Oh, don't judge me. Well, nothing left to do but start another round. Let's go! Once again, is it just so frustrating when you go so far and then you just die on the easiest parts? No, I am not okay. So let's go check how much gold I have. Oh, I only have 5 gold left. Let's go to start another round immediately so I'm actually gonna go ahead and get the gold, and I'll get another fluffy, play around with it, and then I'll end the episode. This is going to be like, not really a series. It's going to be more like, a set of videos just talking about what my tips and tricks are about this game and my personal thoughts and opinions. So, yeah. Well, isn't that lovely? Isn't that just wonderful and amazing? Just perfect. Just what I needed. Perfect. But yeah, let's go hatch another fluffy. I can't wait to see what we get. So we kind of hold the cup. And yeah, so I'm going to go hold, like press and hold the cup. Or like the little top bit, and then you press it. There we go. Oh my gosh, look how cute it is. It's like it's caramel custard. Look at it. Look at how beautiful it is. So yeah, let's play and then I'll end the video. Oh, I died. Well, I think that's a good place to end and everything. So yeah, like I said before, this is the end of the video, and yeah, this is just going to be like my thoughts and opinions, my tips and tricks, my everything about Fluffyful. So without further ado, I will say my goodbyes. Goodbye, everybody.